Here we are given an equation y equals 3 times x minus 2 the whole squared minus 5. It's a quadratic equation, and we know that the graph of a quadratic function or equation is a parabola. Now let's compare this to the standard equation of a parabola. Y equals a times x minus h the whole squared plus k. If we can put it in the standard form, then hk is the vertex of the parabola. Now we are comparing the terms here. So the a is 3. So x compares to x. The signs match. It's a minus and a minus. So therefore, h has to equal 2. Now we are matching the terms, but notice here it's a plus and that's a minus. So we need to write this -5 as plus -5. So that would make k equal to -5. Not 5, but -5 because of the signs. We need to write it in a different way. Now suppose we have y equals 2 times, let's say -2 times x plus 5 the whole squared minus 7. We compare this with y equals a times x minus h the whole squared plus k. That's the standard form. So the a matches with the -2, so a is -2. The x matches with the x, but notice here it's a negative and that's a positive. So we have to rewrite this as y equals negative, let me write this in a different color, -2 times x minus, we need a minus, but plus 5 is the minus of -5 the whole squared. And notice here this is a plus and that's a minus, so we need to rewrite that as well. So that would be plus, we need to match it up with a plus, -7. So this gives us now a perfect match. A equals -2. So let's go term by term. A is -2, the x's match, the negatives match, so h equals -5, and here the signs match, it's a plus and a plus, so k equals -7. So the vertex of this parabola hk is -5, -7. The line that passes, the vertical line that passes through the vertex is called the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry in this case is the line, since it's a vertical line has equation x equals something. So in this case, x is fixed at h. So x is equal to, and in here we have h equals -5. So that's the equation of the axis of symmetry. Here the axis of symmetry would have equation x equals 2. Remember, it has to be x equals something because it's a vertical line.